Fine. Okay, no problem. I'll just record this session as well, and I'll upload it in LMS membership site so that you people can uh, go through that video, go through this video, and I'll clear all the doubts with whatever the doubts you have today. Fine. And please ask me doubts now. I'll just go for the first doubt which I got, and it was asked by Dhaval. Dhaval, so I have shorted TCS on 1 hour, 1 hour chart, and Britannia on 4 today. So if you cover these two up, like I mean, like I really can't say to you people to buy or sell, or to sell at this particular area, or to buy at this particular area, because I'm not any government registered, any advisory. But all the things which I have done is only for educational purpose. But yes, I'll just explain what is happening in those charts. I'll just clear your doubts. Okay, let's go to TCS, and this is TCS. Let me go for what is the chart you're saying. 1 hour you have shorted on TCS, and 1 hour I don't know how on which basis you have shorted on TCS, but yes, in a bigger time frame it's forming uh, a big bear flag. Okay, it is forming a big bear flag, and I think market may fall down from that level. After forming a bear flag, it will form again badly. Okay, and yeah, like if you ask me why did you short, I think maybe you might have seen there is expanding a Indian channel, or some maybe like a sudden channel in a small time frames like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, and I really appreciate that that you have gone for selling. And yes, keep going. Like if you're doing good, then definitely I'm very happy for that. Just keep going, don't give up. Okay, uh fine. And Britannia 4 hours, and Britannia on 4 today. So if you cover these two, I don't think so. There is something where I can cover this things, because you have already completed the session, and I mean, you have already completed the trading. Okay, just a second. If it is possible, don't worry. I like after this session, if it is possible, I'll try to arrange other session as well. Uh, Fine. But, Britannia, I think there is nothing. Britannia. Yeah, this is Britannia, and let me clear these diagrams. You have shorted in 4 hours. Okay, fine. This is cool in Britannia as well. Everything is same. That the patterns, everything is same, and boom, like everyone can see here what is happening in the market in Britannia. Like it's it has formed a big ascending channel, like it is going up in a pattern, and it has formed a big ascending channel. And this in this channel as well, we have seen many flags as well, bull flags, and we have seen some raising wedge as well, like sorry, some another ascending channel where here, this here we can see another ascending channel, and officially the price has broken this big ascending channel. So obviously after this breaking down, we need a bear flag. Okay, we need a bear flag. Okay, after this bear flag, we will enter here. Okay, we'll enter here. Okay, and our stop loss will be here. Fine, our stop loss will be here. Okay, this is our stop loss, and our target will be this one. And obviously, well, like we will be not going for this target. Let's keep the realistic target. If we are going for swing, then definitely we can go. I'm just saying how the this particular funnels are work, I mean, sorry, particular chart patterns are working. Okay, this is how the market moves. Okay, you can enter here, and you can place your stop loss here, and you can easily go to 1 hour time frame and look after the bear flags and bull flags and all those things, and you can easily trade in the market. And I think you're really you're doing very good, and just keep going. Okay, fine. Zaki Sheikh, thank you so much, sir, for changing your name. Anup Sutta, good evening. And fine. I think this session might be boring. Like I'm really sorry if it is boring, but yes, there'll be something to learn, from these levels. I know doubt while drawing key levels. Key levels, what is that? It's nothing but support and resistance. I think you need to, Karthik, you need to watch at support and resistance level. Um this thing video in the LMS membership site. Please go through that video. You only need significant touches where the touch has happened. Okay, like I'll just explain here. Okay, now let's say the market went up from here, up from here, this level. Okay, and again market went up from here. Okay, again market broke down. Okay, this broke down. Now again market reversed from this level here, and market reversed from this level, and again market broke up. Market broke from this level, like this, like this, like this. Now if you see this overall the significant levels, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this is how we'll be drawing our support and resistance level. Just go through that video clearly, you'll understand how to draw it. And again, nothing comes within few days. Okay, we need to practice. And you are, yeah, you you need to train your subconscious mind, so that you can see all those particular patterns, support distance, all those things with your naked eye. Okay, it takes time. Just go through the charts and you'll understand clearly how it is working. Fine, Karthik, I hope it is clear. Still have still confusion to draw exact pattern. It comes with experience, sir. Who asked me this question? Anand Robin, sir. So it comes with experience. Is uh, like if you ask me at present, okay, how to draw all those patterns, like I can easily say how the pattern is working. Like it is in a falling wedge, and overall it is a bear flag, and this is a bear flag. It takes time for the human being to identify all those patterns, because like, see, nothing comes within the first day or second day. Okay, like, to be frank, mostly what happened is nearly 1158 members have registered for this session. Okay, 1158 members have registered for this stock market course. And to be frank, only 15% are just going through the videos. Only 15%. Okay, and the rest of them didn't they didn't even open this thing. They didn't even sign till now. They didn't even sign till now. Sign up through into the membership site till now. This is because of the this thing, lack of motivation. Okay, and the problem which you are saying, like, I was not able to find exact the patterns, is because, yes, you have that motivation, and I'm not saying that you don't have that motivation. Yes, you have that motivation, but it takes time. Just go and move forward. And again, I'm saying, like, nothing is 100%. Okay, but there's patterns, like, they will fail sometime. They will fail mostly, like, they'll be failing because this is stock market. Like, what I have observed is these patterns, like, it will not support mostly, but it will work. But it's okay. Like, you can draw in 5 minutes as well. Just go and take any manual chart and draw like this every time. Like, if you see this particular chart and draw this thing, like bullish pennant, and this an channel, and overall this is an ascending like this you can draw. And overall, if you see, this is a rising wedge, and like, you can draw like all these patterns, and at some point of time you can easily draw all those things. Okay, Shakti, fine, hope I have cleared your doubts. And chalo, let's I'm moving forward. Okay, and good evening, and Anand Robin. Record, yes, sir, I'm recording. Abdul Rahman, yes, sir, I'm recording. Please record this lecture. Yes, sir, yes. Double, I just review on it. F pause, just, yeah, okay. Abdul Rahman, sir, can we trade if pattern breakouts or breakdowns in an opposite pattern? Yes, definitely you can trade. Like, see, so, I have said, right, see, whenever the pattern is like, let's say, like, it is forming a bull flag. Okay, it is forming a bull flag. And what happens is, mostly it will not like, yes, mostly it is an aftermarket. Okay, mostly it will break upside, and we will enter here, and we'll place a stop us here. And your doubts are like, what if it breaks downside? Yeah, what if it breaks down? Nothing. Don't trade in the market. Okay, this overall the market is in bull flag. Okay, like if you want, you can trade here, enter, and with the stop loss here and target 1:2. Go for always 1:2. You can enter, but mostly I'll suggest is don't trade in those type of trades. And patterns will always fail sometimes. Okay, just follow the patterns and you'll understand how it is working. Fine. And yes, yes, you can trade in the opposite manner as well, Abdul sir, Abdul Rahman sir. You can trade, no problem. So we need bear flag in same time frame. Yes, 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 sir. You need a bear flag in the same time frame, or else you will be getting a bear flag in a small time frame. Let's assume this is an ascending channel, and after the ascending channel is broken in 4 hours, okay, you need a bear flag, okay. It doesn't matter if it is in 4 hours or 1 hour, okay. Let's assume this ascending channel is in 4 hours, or let's say daily candle, okay. In 1 hour time frame, like if you see any bear flag, you can blindly go for entry with stop loss in 1 hour and with the target this one. You can go it any time frame. You need to look after each and every time frames, then only you can trade, okay. Don't stick to single time frame, particular time frame, okay. I hope I cleared. Karthik, Zaik Sheikh, thank you so much, sir. And sir, how can I watch your previous video? I have uploaded it. I have uploaded all the videos in membership site, and I don't know whether you have signed in or not. But if you have signed in just 2 or 3 days before, I don't think so you'll be getting that videos, because at present I have changed that price to $10, which is 750 to 760 rupees approximately, because I my aim is to give free stock market course for the first 1,000 members. But yeah, like more than 1,000 members have utilized it. But to be frank, I really can't handle all those pressure, because like I'll be getting a lot of doubts daily, and at the same time, uh, I really can't expose here. But at the same time, it costs me like more than 35,000 per month to handle all those things. Okay, whatever the stuff which I have given it for free, it cost me more than 35,000 to handle, to hold all those videos in that platform, and to mail you people, to like to do everything to help you people. Fine, it will be available in this thing, membership site. You can go through that. Ija, sir, PVR 15 minutes chart retracer. Can you explain, sir? I really can't. Uh, like I didn't explain 61%, 61.8% like Fibonacci's or anything. I have explained chart patterns. If there is any doubt on chart patterns, then definitely you can come to me. But I'll just see whether there is any chart pattern over there in 15 minutes. If there is any chart pattern, I'll just explain. But if there is no chart pattern in a PVR, then definitely I'll not explain. I don't know whether what is success to a percent, all those things. But if you ask me clearly, this is a bull flag in overall market. It has broken. Now we need a bear bull flag again. Now we can enter here in this market with a stop loss here or here with a target this one, okay. Now this is how we can go for buy. Wow, this is very good example. This is entry, this is stop loss, and this is stop loss. You can go till 1300. It's a very good example. Like if anyone wants, you can take your screenshot as well, okay. So I cannot find proper entries. Go Nehal, Ijaz, hope I have cleared your doubts, okay. And Nehal, sir, I cannot find proper entries, sir. I'll suggest you to watch my entries video for like for 2 or 3 times, and after that you can go through the other video which I have uploaded in a webinars list. In that webinars list, I have uploaded in intraday trading and entries video. You can go through those two videos. You will understand clearly how we have to enter in the market, okay. Anand, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Yes, sir, how to use different time frames, sir. Like you need to go, let's say this is a PVR, okay. This is a PVR. Let's say this is weekly, 4 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 400 minutes, 15 minutes, okay. You know to keep on changing all those time frames. Like if you have money, I will suggest you to go to the pro membership of this trading view. Or else if you don't want to go, then you can definitely stick to this thing, Zerodha charts as well. In Zerodha as well, like we have trading view, you can go through that. And I think like you need to observe all those time steps. Okay, just practice a lot. Abdul Rahman said, "Sir, I have always waiting for the breakouts or breakdowns, but consolidates many times. I cannot find entries in support or resistance zone. Sir, it come." One thing I can say is patience is the key, and the other thing is like you need to be uh, very sure whether the market will be going up or down. In this scenario, if you ask me, I'll definitely wait patiently for the market to give me good direction. Okay, if you see here, like let's say like pattern didn't form. Okay, let's say that pattern didn't form and the pattern was formed here. Okay, now this is a pattern you have seen, and you are waiting for a bull flag here to go for buy, but here it didn't form any bull flag. What happened to the market? What happened to the market here means like, see, this is a pattern and you have drawn, and what happened to the market means like it has formed a bearish pennant. Okay, now boom, now you have to change your trend line till here. Okay, that's how the market moves, and you need to find a good bull flag or bear flag. And we don't know whether this pattern also may fail. How? Because this is total an ascending channel, right? If at all, if it goes like this tomorrow, like this, after break, if it, after it break down, if you see any bear flag, then boom, again we may see any fall badly towards the downside. And this is the reason why I have got just modified all these strategies, all this support and resistance trend lines, support this thing, sub, chart patterns, all these strategies. So that's how I trade at present. And yeah, this is the main reason why I uh, just left uh, patterns trading. Okay, chart patterns trading, I don't really focus on that. Okay, this is the main problem with this chart patterns. Yes, sometimes it gets frustrated and we can't do anything. The only thing is to evolve with the strategy, like or the only thing, the first thing you can do is just to go with the flow, evolve with the strategy. Or else the second thing is you need to learn advanced concepts for that. And 5503 EC20, I'm just removing you. I really don't care if you don't change your name at present. 5503 EC20. Fine, I'm just removing you. Thank you so much. Okay. I'm just removing because last time what happened means like when many people are uh, doing bad things, and I don't really encourage all those things. Okay. Sir, please, Abdul Rahman, sir, please look after the chart parents and support and distance. You will understand. It takes time, but everything will be worth it. Just candlesticks patterns such as head and shoulder is not a candlesticks patterns. It's a chart patterns. Okay, and those candlesticks patterns such as head and shoulders, double bottoms, etc., should also be looked along with the chart patterns. They are also they are also in the chart patterns, and yes, you can definitely look after that. Nothing is there, like head and shoulders, all those things, they're nothing but chart patterns. Okay, and thanks, sir, thank you so much. And Babish, hope I have I'll just draw the head and shoulders pattern, like if you want. Okay, now this is left shoulder, and this is head, and this is right shoulder. Okay, the reason why this is happens is because there might be some as an in channel here. Okay, that is the reason these head and shoulders has happened. Okay, and after that it will form a descending channel like this. Like you can go and research all those things. Everything is patterns. Okay, fine. Yeah, you can go for that. And yeah, I hope I have cleared all your doubts. And if anyone have any doubts, then you can ask me now. Like, or else I'll just go for two or three stocks and I'll just wind up the session, because there is nothing more to explain about this. Patterns, all those things. I have clearly explained each and everything. Like, trust me, I think no one will explain these type of things, even though if you pay 50,000 or 1 lakh to those people. I had a long position, sir. I'm really sorry. Like I really can't explain you the trading, but I'll just clear it out. I had a long position. Dhawal is asking me this question. I had a long position in Bata on a 15 minutes time frame. falling wedge. Falling wedge. If it is a falling wedge pattern, you'll be going for selling, right? Sorry, buying on it. I'm really sorry. Which gave a clear breakout till still hit my stop loss today. Can you please view on it? I really can't explain the reason why. Like I have already explained the reason why it is. It has like it didn't work. Okay, I'll just go for Bata. What is that? Bata, right? Bata. Bata India. Let's go for Bata India. This is Bata India, and 15 minutes time frame. Falling wedge. Where did you see the falling wedge? I'll go find. Like I'll just go for the 4 hours time frame, and uh, falling wedge is nothing but I'll just clear your doubt here itself. Falling wedge is nothing but this is how the falling wedge happens. This one, right? Dhaval, can you please unmute yourself and you can talk to me. You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Is it
Yes,
possible?
so it was since last 4 days,
Hmm.
from 8th of June, if you see, till yesterday, which gave a breakout yesterday at the end of the day.
Okay, you
And
you mean like you have
yeah,
seen a falling wedge and you have taken a buy entry, but it hit your
yes,
stop loss. The reason the reason why it hit your stop loss is because of the higher time frames pressure. Okay, can you please say me what is happening in higher time frames?
yeah, it's in a channel which is about to break down.
Yeah, it is a bear flag, right?
All right,
Yeah,
okay.
it is a bear flag. So obviously higher time frames pressure will be more because banks and institutions are not at all interested in lower time frames. Okay, they are only interested in higher time frames. They will only focus on that. Okay, fine. And let's see what is happening here in Bata. In 4 hours it is forming a bear flag. Okay, like you can also call as ascendant channel as well, but I'm calling it overall market in a bear flag. So let's get back to the 1 hour time frame and we'll see whether there is any channel out there. Then yes, you can definitely see the national channel here. And if you see the 15 minutes time frame, you can easily see this is a correction. That's it, right? After the 1 hour breakout has happened, we got a correction, which is nothing but I have already explained, right? After the breakout, we need a bear flag. Okay, this is a bear flag, and after the bear flag, we can enter here with stop loss and boom. What happened to the market? It reached our target and it is going for the second target in the 1 hour time. And like it's very cool, like very good trade, and market was very good. And I think you might have taken your entry, maybe like it's forming I don't know whether, yeah, this might be a falling wedge, or you might have thought this is a bull flag, but I have already explained, right? Like we will always get patterns in the patterns. Okay, this might be an ascendant channel, but in this ascendant channel we may see a bull flag as well. We may see a bull flag. With this bull flag again, we have to go for buy. Okay, same thing has happened here. It is forming a bull flag here, but suddenly what happened is we have seen a bearish pennant or bear flag here. That is the reason why market boom fell down, and obviously like some falling wedge also we can see here, but that will not at all sustain the market because higher time frames pressure will be more. Okay, higher time frames patterns are very powerful when it comes to small time frames. Not only patterns, higher time frames, trend lines, support and resistance, candlesticks patterns, all those things are very powerful when it compares to the small time frames. Okay, so I'll just suggest everyone to focus on bigger time frames to small time frames. Hope I have cleared your doubts, Dhaval sir and Sham. All right, thanks for lot. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And fine. I hope, uh, like I have cleared all your doubts, and I hope this course has helped you in any like to fill the blocks which you are missing from long period of time. Fine. Now, please say me like 5 to 6 or 9 to 10 stocks. I'll just go through that and I'll just wind up the session. Okay. So we get different results in different time frames. That confuses and sometimes trade goes wrong. What is the solution, sir? So the only solution is like you need to modify your strategy. You need to learn advanced strategies. Yes, it happens own cards. So it happens sometimes. The only thing is you need to upgrade your knowledge. That's it. Or else you just need to go with the market. Simple. Fine, let's go for the Reliance. Reliance is very good. Yesterday, I think mm, Reliance Industries. Yeah, this is Reliance Industries, and I really I can't say much about this because this is a resistance level. Okay, please just go through this. Like this session will be very very good. Okay, I'll just express all those things. Fine. And if you see, fine. And let's go for the 4 hours time frame. This is very very good. And or else if you don't want to go draw all those things, you can draw till here. This one, it has broken that level and it has formed a bear flag here, and that might be some ascending channel as well. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So let's draw our ascending channel. It has broken, and what I said, after breaking of the ascending channel, we will definitely see a bear flag where market will definitely come to this level at the starting of the pattern. Boom. In 50 minutes, bear flag, enter here, stop loss. This is target. Okay, TG target. That's it. It's very simple. Fine. I hope you people understood how it is working from daily to 4 hours and to 1 hour to 15 minutes bear flag and 15 minutes entry. You can go blindly for selling. That's it. Fine. And let's go for Mohsin. M&M. Okay, sir. Mahindra Mahindra. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. This one is good. Let's come from the daily time frame, and you can come from the weekly time frames. And I'm not focusing on weekly at present. And if you see the overall market, it's M&M is forming a big bear flag, and here this is the 1 hour time frame ascendant channel. After the ascendant channel, we got a bear flag. Now, can anyone say me what does this indicates? Market will fall. That's it. Okay. And after this 1 hour bear flag, we need a breakout, a bear flag, enter here, or else stop loss here, or else after the breakout, enter here, stop loss, go for the sell. Okay. For intraday trades, just look for small time frames like 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, that's how you can go for selling. Fine, hope it is clear. And MRF limited. Okay, oh wow, it's been a long time, I didn't see. Yeah, okay. Let's come from the weekly time frame. I don't know what is happening in MRF, but definitely it will be pushing up. And if you see the overall market, boom, maybe this type of move we can expect in future. This one like this, till this one, 1,20,000 like that. Okay, we can calculate like that. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame and we will see whether the pattern is forming any other pattern. Okay, and if you see here, it has formed an ascending channel and the market fell down badly. It has formed a bullish pennant. Market went up and reached our target, and after that it has formed an ascending channel. And let's come back like to the current data, and here it is forming another ascending channel, and or else a big bear flag here. And we need like this means like market will definitely touch this particular level. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame, and in 1 hour time frame we will see what is happening. Like in 1 hour time frame, it has broken this previous level. Now here, what I'm expecting a bear flag here. Okay, I'm expecting a bear flag here. We will enter here with stop loss here. We'll go for selling. Till where? Till the starting of the pattern. Okay, till the starting of the pattern here or here. Fine, that's how we can go for or buy, I mean like selling. Okay, now this is not permanent, like it's not, I'm not sure definitely go here, but definitely according to the pattern it may go there. Okay, what happens like this, now this is a bull flag, again it may go upside. That's how it goes. Okay, that's how the patterns goes like that. Fine. Hope I have cleared your doubts in MRF as well. It's very cool, like good analysis. Like let me go for 15 minutes time frame, and if I find any bear flag here in 15 minutes time frame, I'll definitely go for, I'll enter here with stop loss here, I'll go for selling. Fine. I hope I have cleared the doubts. And let's go back to the MRF. MRF. Oh, same thing, right? Okay, I have gone MRF on it, right? Sorry. uh, this one? Yeah, this one. Let me clear all the diagrams. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. Oh wow, this is very very cool. I'm going for the weekly time frames, and I hope you can see these things. Okay, weekly time frame. So this thing, expanding channel. Okay, it's expanding. It has expand, and it has broken, and we need a big bear flag, up and down, up and down. We need a big bear flag, then we can sell. Okay, now we'll definitely not focus on weekly time frame. I'm just saying. Okay, just sir, uh, I will definitely inform about my advanced course within few days. Works are going on, and works are going on. Everything is going on. I'll inform each and everything. And after advanced course, I don't think so. You people will focus on chart patterns. Everything will be different. Everything will be different, and everything will be an eye opener. That's it. Okay, I'll definitely inform you, you people about advanced course. Fine. Now let's come to the daily time frame, and in daily time frame, as you can see, this is forming a falling wedge as well. And or else we may see like this is a falling wedge, and after that we may see a big uh, bear flag like this. Okay, it may go till here because this is an falling wedge, right? So it may go till here, and here it may come down like this, and it may go till here, and it will fall down like this. Okay, now this is how it goes. So let's go back to the 4 hours time frame at current trend. Okay, at current trend, can anyone say me why price bounce at this level? Because of the selling pressure, dynamic resistance level. Okay, trend lines, dynamic resistance. Don't ask me, so what is what is dynamic resistance? Okay, I have clearly explained all those things in the free course itself, and you can go through that videos. Okay, now this is 1 hour time frame, and in 1 hour time frame there might be some ascending channel here. Yes, this is an ascending channel, and it has broken a bear flag here. We can definitely go for selling here. We can enter here with stop loss this above, and you can go till here with the target. Okay, you can definitely go till it. It's very very good. And here if you see any bear flag, boom, just go blindly for selling. And again, always go with the good risk management. Okay, and I'm not recommending you people to go for sell or buy. I'm just explaining how it will go. Okay, everything is dependent on you. I'm not responsible for your profit or loss. Everything is for educational purposes itself. Okay, Gale today it was very good, like it behaved very weird. I'll just go for Gale. Yeah, this is Gale. Let's go for the daily time frame. Nothing, everything is same like a bear fly. Okay, like let's go to the 4 hours time frame. There is nothing, no good information. So 1 hour it might be like there's good information like as a channel. Weekly time frame, see, this is the reason why I'll just focus on bear flags. Okay, now this is what I am focusing on, bear flag. Okay, the reason why it went up from here from there is because of this wedge, because of this particular wedge, a bullish pennant. Okay, it went up and like this, and it may go up as well till here. Okay, but overall draw all the chart patterns in each and every time frame, you'll understand how it is. MFSL, right? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Fine. Hope it is not boring. Please please don't sleep, guys. Let's go to the weekly time frame. No much, not a clear data. I just want a current one. So bear flag and 1 hour time frame, big bear flag, and 15 minutes time frame, and this falling wedge also fine. Maybe it will go up, or else if you see the overall trend, it's a bear flag, and after the bear flag is broken, I need another bear flag so that I can go for entry here with stop loss, and I can go till the starting of the pattern. Okay, that's how we can go first selling. Fine. And Axis Bank stock, everything is same, like Axis Bank. This is Axis Bank, everything is same, like, okay. Now I hope you can see this thing. This is a bearish pennant pattern. Okay, now let's get back to this particular time 1 hour time frame. Boom, what is this? It's a rising wedge pattern. It's not squeezing at the end, but yes, it's a rising wedge. Okay, after the rise, it's kind of consolidation. Okay, now after this broken, just wait for a bear flag pattern. Okay, now after this bear flag pattern, just enter here with stop loss. You can go till the starting of the pattern here, or you can go till here, this level. Okay, that's how you can ride the trade. Axis Bank stocks, everything is same. Okay, I can't explain all those things. Okay, fine. I hope I've cleared your doubt in Axis Bank. Mohisin. Okay, Balkrishnan. Krishna. This is 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the boom. Let's go to 1 hour, and if you see any ascending channel is forming there, yes, there is an ascending channel, and boom, very good good chart. And I really appreciate Karthik for giving this chart pattern of this particular stock idea. It's very good, guys. Don't miss this. Don't miss. Okay, very good. See, 1 hour broken, and again after breaking we have seen a bear flag, and in the bear flag in 15 minutes, boom, it's a bear flag. After the bear flag, definitely you people can enter here with stop loss. You can ride the trade, you can go for swing trade, guys. You can go for swing trade till this level. Okay, wow, it's very good, very good. I really appreciate that. Okay, see how beautiful this particular stock and analysis with chart patterns. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much. uh Dhaval, exactly. So if the trend in a high time frame is long, so should I totally ignore any short trade in small time frames, like what happened in Bata? Yes, sir. Like you need to identify from bigger time frames to lower time frames. Then only you'll understand the movement of the lower time frames. Okay, just focus on higher time frames as well. Fine. Very good. Very good. Balakrishna is very good. IOL, right. This one. Oh, very. Okay. Let's go to. Oh, what is this? Okay. I need data from WAC as well. Let's go to. No, not a clear data. I think you have already this thing said about this stock long back. It's okay, I'll just explain all those things, and maybe the market is it's very peak actually. It's very peak. It's very hard to this thing draw a pattern, but according to me, I will draw my pattern like this. Okay, what happened here means it has broken upside. Okay, it has broken upside, maybe because of some fundamentals. Okay, because of some fundamentals, it has broken upside. Like even though it has broken upside, yes, it's a valid pattern, but you'll only see in this area as well. This is a bullish pennant. Again, it has broken. You can definitely go for buy, and there is no support in distance as well, till where we can go. Like you can go till you find any reversal pattern. If there is any reversal pattern is forming there in the future, then you can definitely exit from there. Okay, how? like we don't have previous data for support and resistance as well, right? Till there we can go. This is a bullish pennant, and just we might enter here, and we don't have clear resistance level or where we can exit from the trade. Okay, where we can exit from the trade, or else you can exit with 1:2. Now in this scenario, where to exit in the market? Okay, you can take entry here whenever any rising wedge is forming like this. Okay, whenever it has closed, then you can exit the position. Okay, that's how you can go. That is the only way we can do in chart patterns. Fine, I hope I have cleared your doubts. Bhavish. Fine, chalo, thank you so much for everyone for giving your stocks, and I have done my best to help you according to my knowledge. I have done my thing, and yeah, that's it. I'm just stopping the session. Like, I don't think so there's nothing much, and yeah, I hope this session will give you some more value about this particular course, and I hope this session will help you in your career, in your trading career. And yeah, thank you so much for attending the session. I'm just stopping the session. Thank you so much.